Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to migrate VM from OLVM to Proxmox in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. VM migration in Vinchin Backup and Recovery is realized by restoring the VM backup on another virtualized platform, so an OLVM VM backup is needed at first. Here, I have created an OLVM VM backup, and I'm going to restore it on a Proxmox host. Go to Restore. Just select this VM backup. Here select the specific Proxmox host. And you can simply configure the new VM here, such as VM name, CPU, memory, virtual disk, and virtual network. Select Strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it's finished. Let's check the new VM in Proxmox. It has been restored to the Proxmox host, and let's try to connect to the VM. It's working. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.